Hello! Welcome to Talk Emma Learn English. Here, we learn English by talking, listening, and practicing together.
Hello, and welcome back to Daily English Talk.
Hi, everyone. We are so happy you are here with us today.
I'm Emma, and this is Jack. We make videos to help you speak English every day.
Yes, please like this video and subscribe to our channel. It helps us so much.
Today, we are talking about how to talk about your evening routine.
We will practice listening, learn useful phrases, and have a fun conversation. Are you ready?
Let's begin. So, Jack, how are you today?
I'm a little tired, actually.
Oh no, why is that?
I went to bed very late last night. My evening routine was not good.
I see. Well, maybe our topic today can help you.
I hope so. So what are we learning today?
We will learn how to describe everything you do in the evening. Simple things like finishing work, making dinner, relaxing.
And going to bed on time, right?
Exactly. We will learn many easy phrases. Then we can practice together.
Great. I need a better routine.
Let's have a real conversation about our evenings. Let's talk about last night.
Okay. Last night, I finished work at 6:30.
Oh, that's late. I finished work at 6:30.
Yes, I was tired. So I drove home. The traffic was terrible.
You can say the traffic was bad. So you got home late?
I got home at 7:45. 7:45.
Okay, and then?
Then I walked in the door and said, "I'm home." But you weren't there.
I was at the store. So what did you do?
I was so hungry. I looked in the refrigerator. Nothing.
Ah, the empty refrigerator. A classic problem.
So I called you. Remember? I said, "What's for dinner?"
I remember. And I said, let's order noodles.
Yes. So we ordered food. It came in 30 minutes. The food came and we ate. It was delicious.
Thank you. After we ate, what did we do?
We washed the dishes together. You washed, I dried.
That's right. And then?
Then we decided to watch a movie. We chose a comedy.
A funny movie. We watched for about 2 hours.
It was a long movie, but it was good. After the movie, I looked at the clock. It was late.
How late?
It was almost midnight. You said, "It's getting late. We should get ready for bed."
I did. And what did you say?
I said, "Okay, but I need a shower first." So I took a shower.
And I went to brush my teeth. Then we both put on our pajamas.
My dog pajamas.
Yes. Then we got into bed. We talked for a few minutes.
And then we went to sleep. I think I fell asleep immediately.
So that was our real evening routine last night. It was a good, normal evening.
It was, but sometimes my routine is not so good. Like on Friday.
What happened on Friday?
On Friday, I went out with my friends after work. We had pizza.
That sounds fun.
It was fun, but then we went to a cafe. We talked and talked.
And you got home late?
I got home very late, at 1 in the morning.
1 a.m.? Wow. And then?
And then I wasn't sleepy, so I watched more videos.
Oh, Jack. And you woke up early on Saturday?
Yes, I woke up early. I was exhausted all day Saturday.
So you see, a good routine helps you feel better the next day.
I know. I need to try harder. Maybe I need a plan.
A plan is a good idea. A simple plan. For example, on weekdays, I go to bed before 11.
That's a good rule. On weekdays, I go to bed before 11.
Can you say your ideal routine, the routine you want?
My ideal routine? Okay. I finish work at 6. I go home. I cook a simple dinner, or we cook together. Then we wash dishes. Then we relax for 1 hour. Maybe watch one TV show. At 10, I take a shower. At 10:30, I go to bed.
That sounds like a perfect plan. It's simple and healthy.
But it's hard for me. I am a night owl.
You can change slowly. Start with one thing. This week, try to take your shower at 10.
Okay, I can try that. This week, I will take my shower at 10.
Perfect. Small steps. So listeners, you can think about your ideal routine too, and your real routine. They're both okay to talk about. Now, let's go through some essential phrases for your evening routine. Jack, can you help me?
Sure. These are phrases we use all the time. Like, I finish work at 5 p.m.
Good one. That's how you tell people your work day is done. You can also say, I get off work at 5. It means the same thing.
Right. Then when you were leaving, you might say, I'm heading out. It's a casual way to say, I am leaving now.
Exactly. Or, I'm on my way home. You say this when you are traveling home.
When you arrive, you shout, I'm home.
Yes. And someone in the house might say, welcome back. Or, how was your day?
That's a very common question. You can answer, it was good, or it was long. Then the next big question is about food.
It sure is. So you ask, what's for dinner?
My favorite question. The answer can be, I'm making pasta, or I'm cooking chicken.
If you are not cooking, you can say, let's order pizza, or let's get takeout. That means food from a restaurant.
I like that idea. Sometimes you need to buy food first, so you say, I need to stop by the store, or I'll pick up some groceries.
Good phrases. After eating, you need to clean. You can say, I'll do the dishes.
That's very nice of you to offer. Or, it's your turn to wash up.
Yes. Then for relaxing, you might say, I'm going to watch some TV.
Or, I want to read my book. Or, I'm going to play a video game.
If you're tired, you can say, I just want to relax on the sofa.
When it's getting late, my mom always said, it's getting late.
She's right. That's a natural way to notice the time. Then you say, I should get ready for bed.
Yes, the first step is often, I'm going to take a shower. Or a bath.
Then, don't forget to brush your teeth, and I'm going to wash my face.
After that, I'm going to put on my pajamas, my comfy clothes.
Comfy means comfortable. You might also say, I'm going to check my phone one more time. But be careful, don't stay up too late.
That's good advice. Then you tell everyone, I'm going to bed now.
A very common thing to say is, I'm turning in for the night. Turning in means going to bed.
I like that. Finally, you say good night or good night, sleep well.
And the other person says, you too. It's a short, kind way to end the day.
What if you share your home? You might say, are you coming to bed soon?
Yes, that's a caring question for a partner. Or, don't stay up too late.
And in the morning, you can talk about last night. You can say, I went to bed so early last night. Or, I stayed up too late.
Perfect. So you see, these are all simple, natural phrases. You can mix and match them to talk about your own evening.
It's not so hard. Just talk about what you really do.
That's the best way to learn. Use the phrases from your real life. Okay, Jack, let's talk about some useful words for our evening routines.
Good idea. Emma, what does to head home mean? I hear it a lot.
Ah, to head home. It's another way to say to go home. It's very casual. For example, I'm tired, so I'm going to head home.
I see. So instead of I go home, I can say I head home at 6. I like that. And what about leftovers?
Leftovers is the food you don't eat today, so you save it and eat it tomorrow. For example, we had chicken leftovers for dinner tonight.
I love leftovers. It makes cooking easy. I had leftover pizza for lunch. Is that right?
Perfect. That's exactly right.
Another word, rush hour. What does that mean?
Rush hour means the very busy time when everyone is going to work or coming home from work. The roads and trains are full. For example, the traffic is terrible during rush hour.
Oh, so I can say I avoid driving in the rush hour.
Yes, smart man. A related word is commute. Commute is the trip between your home and your work. So my commute is about 30 minutes.
My commute is long. Yes, I understand.
Okay, another common one, comfy.
Comfy is short for comfortable, right? Like my pajamas.
Exactly. We use it for clothes, chairs, sofas. I changed into my comfy clothes. This sofa is so comfy.
I am very comfy right now. What does to turn in mean? You said it before.
To turn in means to go to bed. It's a little more formal or old-fashioned. I'm going to turn in early tonight.
So I turned in at midnight last night. That's why I'm tired.
That's correct. How about the word night owl?
A night owl? Is it a bird?
No. A night owl is a person who likes to stay awake very late at night. The opposite is an early bird, a person who likes to wake up early.
Oh, I am a night owl. You are an early bird, Emma.
Yes, I am. I like the quiet mornings. Do you know the word productive?
Productive. It means you do a lot of good work, right?
Yes. If you have a productive evening, you finish many things. I had a productive evening. I cooked, cleaned, and read my book.
My evenings are not very productive. They are chill.
Chill is a great casual word. It means relaxed and calm. I just had a chill evening at home.
Exactly. I have chill evenings. Now, a word for the feeling when you are very tired. Exhausted.
Exhausted means very, very tired. After work, I am completely exhausted.
Me too. Sometimes I am too exhausted to cook.
That's when you order in or get delivery. That means you have food brought to your home from a restaurant.
I order in food too much, I think. One more word. To set an alarm.
To set an alarm means to prepare your clock or phone to make a sound to wake you up. I set my alarm for 7 a.m.
Very important. I always set 2 alarms, just to be safe.
Good idea. Let's do one last one. Screen time.
Screen time is time looking at a phone, computer, or TV screen.
Yes. Doctors say you should reduce your screen time before bed. It helps you sleep better.
I know, but it's hard. My screen time is very high.
Mine too, Jack. Mine too. But knowing these words helps us talk about our habits, and that's the first step to improving them.
That's true. Thank you, Emma. These words are very useful.
You're welcome. Try to use 1 or 2 of them this evening when you talk about your routine.
We talked a lot about evening routines today.
We really did. It's a big topic because everyone has an evening every single day.
That's true. So it's very useful English to know. Can I try to say my routine again with our new words?
Of course. Let's hear it.
I finish work at 6. I head home, but the rush hour traffic is bad. My commute is long. When I get home, I say, I'm home. I am usually exhausted, so sometimes I just order in food, like pizza. I eat the leftovers the next day.
That's very honest and good.
Then I need to unwind, so I have a chill evening. I watch TV on my comfy sofa. Later, I take a shower, brush my teeth, and put on my pajamas. I am a night owl, so I stay up late. I check my phone, too much screen time. Finally, I turn in late, around midnight. I set my alarm for 7 and go to sleep.
Jack, that was fantastic. You used so many of our new words. Head home, rush hour, commute, exhausted, leftovers, unwind, chill, comfy, night owl, scream time, turn in, set an alarm. Perfect.
Really? Thank you. It's easier when I talk about my real life.
That's the secret. All of you are wonderful viewers. You practiced listening today. You learned new phrases and repeated after us. That is a great job.
Remember, you don't need to learn everything today. Just practice a little English every day. Maybe tonight, think about your routine in English, just 2 or 3 sentences.
Yes, say it in your head. I cook dinner. I watch TV. I go to bed. That is perfect practice.
Our question of the day for the comments is very simple. What is one thing you always do in your evening?
Yes. Do you always drink tea? Do you always call a friend? Do you always read? Tell Tell us one thing.
Write your answer in the comments below. We read every single one, and we love to hear from you. It makes us so happy. Thank you for spending your time with us today. Learning English is a journey, and we are so happy to be on this journey with you.
Be kind to yourself. Have a wonderful evening, a good night's sleep, and we will see you next time.
Bye for now.